this is your tarot reader, tarot guide Shefali. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you have already subscribed my YouTube channel. If you haven't, please subscribe right now and press that bell notification so that you keep on getting regular updates of the videos that I keep on releasing. Friends, this is going to be a July 2020 prediction. Let's see what's in cards for you guys. Hi friends, hi Cancerians. Let's see what's in cards for you for July 2020. Friends, as you're aware that this is a sun sign based reading, so you have to consider the reading basis your birthday, the date on which you were born, the sign that falls during that date. You have to take Hello Cancerians, let's see what's in cards for you for July 2020. Friends, you have to remember that this is a sun sign based reading, so you have to consider your date of birth based sun sign, date of birth based sign to to go through your reading. Also, please note that this is a general reading, so I'll be mentioning multiple options because there are a lot of people who fall in your sun sign and they all are going through their different life cycle stages. So they all are going through different situations, so please pick and choose the advice that aligns with you most. Of course, we'll be following the cards, so let's quickly see what is in the cards for you for July 2020. We'll start with your energy oracle card. We have victory energy, which is in the reverse segment for your sun sign, that is a Cancer sun sign. So victory reverse says that somewhere you were expecting some things to be closing, some things were expected to close, or some deals were expected to happen, or some success was expected to come your way in the coming month, but that is looking blocked in the sense it is delayed. So if at all you were expecting some deal closure, some admissions to happen, or some job opportunity or some business opportunity, some vendor closure, then this is the time when it is going to get a bit delayed because of the energies that are surrounding you. So let's see what other cards are suggesting. Accordingly, we'll know where the major blockage is, in which segment we have it, the major blockage in terms of victory. We can see in relationship you have Nine of Pentacles in the upright position, a very good and a beautiful card. It says that you are going to enjoy a beautiful relationship status in the coming month. So if at all you are married, if you are already married and have a partner, or you are dating somebody, then you are going to really have good time with them. You are going to in case of marriage, like, you are going to relive the relationship, you are going to enjoy the luxuries of the relationship, pamper each other, spend some time and money on each other to make each other happy, and it's going to be a good, fun, pleasant time with your spouse as well as your kids, your parents. It's going to be a very good time together. For people who are in partnership or who are dating each other, there is a possibility of proposing each other for long-term commitment. There is a possibility that you are pampering each other by gifting things, by making each other feel special and pampered. So overall, from partnership perspective also, it's looking nice. If you are single, then this is the possibility that you will be meeting your soulmate kind of a person, or alternatively, some of my friends might enjoy the singlehood, so they will enjoy the being bachelor, and they will pamper themselves and spend time with themselves, treating them with food, clothing, and treating them with some nice luxurious gifts, and spending good time together with their own self. So overall, it looks a good time of pampering the relationship, either with yourself or with your near and dear ones. The message over here is past life. So some karmic past life positive gestures are giving you this benefit, or making you feel better in relationship. Enjoy the time and make the most out of it. Coming to your career, we have Queen of Swords in the upright position. Now this card is suggesting that you will be in the control of your work, job, or business, or there is some lady of significance who is in power in your career segment, who is going to guide you and dictate some terms on you, but for your own good. So she will try to make you come out of the cloudy situation, the situation where you are feeling lost, where you are feeling indecisive and restless. This lady is going to show you the direction, guide you. She will be little blunt, little upfront, but she will have a good interest at heart for you. very air air prone, like very mental lady, mental in the sense very intelligent lady, who is very well versed with what she does, and who has control over the authorities as well as control over the situation that you are in, and she'll try to give a helping hand to you to come out of it. It could be your own intuition who is trying to guide you through. So just be aware and be receptive to the messages that you gain during this month, because they will help you to sail through the tough time that you're going through in the career segment. There is also a possibility that you will be elevated to some senior leadership position, where you will be given additional task to handle at your work, and that will give you a little stressful environment, but you will have clarity and authority over it. So nothing to worry about. If at all you're getting such opportunity, please be open to accept it. Message for you is, don't be guilty if you are if you are taking certain actions, if you are taking certain ethical actions for the right reasons, because sometimes some honest and ethical actions might hurt somebody or harm somebody, but they are meant to be taken, or some tough actions or rightful actions are meant to be taken for certain good or higher good. So don't be guilty to take certain tough decisions if they are needed to be taken by you. Coming to your financial segment, we have Two of Pentacles in the reverse positions. It is an Earth card, which shows there is a possibility of money drainage. So there is a possibility. Okay, there are two dual meaning to this card. Again, here please pick and choose as per your situation. Either you're getting deeper into a financial stress, financial mess, where you're going through a lot of losses, financially losing money, not able to balance your financial situation, not able to take right guidance from right people, and feeling directionless. That could be one option, and the another option could be you are just trying to gain control over the losses that you have been through, or over the juggling that you have been doing in financial opportunities. But majorly, like around 70% people might be falling in the first category. So just be aware. Don't you know don't let yourself get depressed or sad because of the losses that you have been through, or because of the tough financial time that you have been through. This is the area, and the health is the area where I see the victories reverse. That is, you're expecting something good to happen, but it just fell off, and things are getting into losses and bad things. By bad I mean, you are experiencing losses in a way, actually. So take this opportunity to regrow and redevelop yourself into a very different individual. Use this opportunity to groom yourself into a better individual, rather than getting depressed and being bogged down by, oh my god, things have gone out of my hand. So it is happening because it's meant to be. So accept it that way and just move on from it for a better future. So it's attitude is all that matters. So just be on the right side of the attitude, and things will shape up for you in due time. It's just a bad time, let it pass by. Coming to your health segment, we have High Priestess, which is a very strong major arcana card. It is a card which speaks about your mental health, which speaks about your physical health and your state of mind. So I can see it reverse, which shows that somewhere you are going through a lot of mood swings in the coming month. Expected to go through mood swings. You will not be able to take right decision because there is an imbalance in decision making capacity. You will not know what is right or wrong, because somewhere your intuition is looking totally blocked, and you might go some unethical way while your health, or while taking care of your health, so which is not right. Otherwise, just take a charge of it, because there is a drastic change that is happening in your health in the coming future. So if you don't mind your health, or don't take a charge of your health, things will fall apart. So don't let that happen, friends. It's very serious. Don't let that happen. Otherwise you might lead into heavy depression, which is not worth it. So just take a charge of your mental health, take a charge of your physical health. Meditate and meditate. Go for yoga, work out as much as you can so that you keep yourself fit, keep your aura clean, and keep yourself strong and healthy. So just take a charge of your health. Very highlight of this month is take charge of your health and don't get bogged down by financial losses. It happens, things change, time passes by, and again sun rises to make things better for you. So wait for that time. It's okay to go through the tough time. It makes you stronger. Coming to the message card, dreams is the message. So you will get message. Chakra advice cards are suggesting you will get message in your dreams. Try to connect with your inner self. Try to open the window of your intuition so that you get direction through dreams. You will be getting messages in dreams on how to tackle your situation. Try to follow your instincts. Things will shape up over the period. Here we can see Emperor in the reverse position, which says that something is not organized, something is not falling in place, something is not happening right, because of which you are feeling totally upside down. So that something is right now undefined, because you are scared to define it. Just get the realization by spending time with yourself in silence. Try to define your life purpose. Try to put things in perspective, put things in place, and you will know how things will heal and how should you approach things to heal better and faster. So just don't fall prey to circumstances. You are much stronger than that. Keep faith on it and you will sail through this situation. Overall, it looks a mixed month for you. A very good luck to all the Cancerians. Friends, I really hope that you have got some help out of this reading and you will try to utilize it to plan your coming month. This is a general reading, so if you are looking for any personal session, you can connect with me on my mobile number or on my email ID. I'm very active on Instagram and Facebook also, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well as Facebook page and my YouTube channel, of course. And help me help you by sharing your queries. If at all you are looking for any reading, you can connect with me there. Don't forget to share my videos with your friends and family, because they can also get benefit out of these, as these are free readings. Also, don't forget to comment on my videos. I look forward to your comments. They help me to get your feedback as well as your suggestions. I really hope this reading helps you to plan the coming month. A very good luck to you.